Hello and thanks for watching this video. Today we're going to be giving you the details on the Park MGM Resort, Las Vegas. Park MGM was formerly the Monte Carlo until it was bought out in 2015. Park MGM opened in 2018 and has over 2,700 rooms. And it has a hotel in a hotel, which is the Nomad, which brings that room total to just under 3,000. We're going to start today's tour in the lobby, which doesn't feel like a lobby. It's very open with lots of stores, but this is where you will do your check-in. Since you need to go through reception to access the pools, we're going to head there next. The Park MGM features 3 pools and 2 jacuzzis. There are 2 pool bars that do serve light food options, and there's plenty of seating all throughout the pool area. There's also a little shop here where you can find flip-flops, sunscreen, chips, and some adult beverages. Park MGM is one of the stops on the monorail that takes you to other MGM properties on the Strip, which is very beneficial, and we do use it. It's a nice little perk that the hotel has. This is going to be the steakhouse they have on property. Prices here will range from about $20 for an appetizer to about $250 for a 32-ounce porthouse. This is Juniper, one of the main lounges here on the casino floor. Right next to Juniper, you're going to find Side Buddy Grill, which is going to be your walk-up option for sandwiches, burgers, and breakfast items. This is On the Record, which is going to be their speakeasy and their nightclub. They do have DJs that have residencies here, but the DJs are frequently switching out, and the space has the capacity to hold about 1,100 people. This is Mama Rabbit, which is their mezcal and tequila bar, which features mezcals and tequilas from all across Mexico. They feature live music here every Friday and Saturday night. This is Best Friend, which is Chef Roy Choi's restaurant. It has Korean barbecue as well as some of his popular dishes from his food trucks. Now we're heading into Italy, which is going to be your one-stop shop for everything Italian. In here, you will find a wide variety of Italian cuisine, from pastas to pizzas, and from espressos to gelatos. There's plenty of seating inside. There's also sit-down restaurants that you can dine at. And down below the restaurants, right off the Vegas Strip, you will find a marketplace which features lots of imported items from Italy. You can find pasta sauce, olive oil, pastas, candies, lots of fun things that are imported from Italy. And this is their Dolby Theater. They do have concerts here, often residencies. So they've had Bruno Mars, Los Bukis, Maroon 5, and Mariah Carey. Lady Gaga also had a residency here. And so they have a lot of her costumes and accessories that she used, which is really fun. They're on display so anyone can look at. Leaving the casino floor and heading back towards reception, you will find the chef truck, which has lots of Cuban-inspired dishes. The prices here range from around $12 to $20 a plate. They also serve agua frescas and guava and cheese pies. If there's anywhere else that serves this kind of cuisine on the Strip, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.